Hello, hi, and good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's great to see you. My name is Natural Light Naaackers. For once, I'm not shooting a video at nighttime, and I'm using the beautiful sun and the reflection of light off of the snow to illuminate my face. It doesn't look great, but I'm on a time crunch, so as somebody who's been using their feet to control elements of their stream for years, Elgato's new product spoke to me. It's right on my alley, and although there are products like it, this one directly fits into the Elgato Stream Deck ecosystem, and it makes it all the more feet-tastic. It's a little too much monitor in that shot. How about that? Now I'm off center. We're doing it live. Today, Elgato released the Stream Deck pedal, and the Stream Deck integration makes your possibilities endless. So before we get into details, let's open some cardboard!
This video's f***ing sponsored.
Look, I know money's important, so here's the pricing. United States is $89.99, Canada is $114.99, Europe is €89, and the UK is £79. So as you saw, there's not a lot going on in the box, right? You get the foot pedal, you get a long braided USB Type-C to Type-A cable, you get a few manuals, some replacement springs in case you want to adjust the tension of the pedals, and you also get little stoppers that you can put in there to disengage the middle pedal in case you want to use that more of like a footrest. Installation was very simple. Take the included USB cable and plug that directly into the computer. Quick note, on the box, Elgato says to use any cable up to 5 meters. So yes, size does matter. Shit. I scared to talk. Did I scare you? Do you not want to look at me? Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Thank you. On the box, it also says to avoid using USB hubs, so take that as you will. So the install process was super simple. At the time of recording this, I had to install a beta version of the Stream Deck software, and then I also had to install a plugin. I had to install a plugin manually. However, by the time you see this video, the plugin will be available in the Stream Deck store, the App Store. Once you install the Stream Deck update and the plugin from the store, not only do you get a dropdown for all of the Discord options, you also get an overlay that they're calling the action bar. And we'll get to that in just a second. I have my phone recording my Stream Deck, so bear with me here. All right, let's dive into this a little bit. You essentially have a 3-key Stream Deck with foot pedals. The first cool thing is this overlay. So not only does this give you a preview of what the buttons are, when you press them, you get a confirmation that they have been pressed. So right now, my middle action is very important. All it does is post, get that ass sucked in chat over and over and over again. Now on the left and right now I have these set to switch profiles. So right now I'm showing you one of my Stream Decks that is currently on my primary profile. If I hit the right pedal, it switches that profile over to the next page. And then if I hit the left pedal again, it goes back to my primary profile. Now, as somebody with multiple Stream Decks, I'm gonna have to pick which Stream Deck profile I wanna switch. Unless they're gonna find a way in the future to allow me to switch all my profiles over, like can I switch the profiles of all 3 Stream Decks with a single button press? That would be kind of cool. So again, this is just scratching the surface. Everything that a Stream Deck button can do, a Stream Deck pedal can do. For me, as somebody that likes to have as many hotkeys open on my keyboard and mouse as possible, I would find myself using this for Discord push to mute or Discord deafen, or maybe even like a system-wide mic mute. However, I have the Beacon Mix Create, so that silences my mic system-wide already, so I'll probably find something else to do that. The one thing I didn't ask about was stackability, scalability. You know, can I have more than one foot pedal? Can I have a right foot and a left foot? I assume that you can stack them just like you can with the regular Stream Deck, because technically right now I have 3 Stream Decks, an XL, a regular, and then a Stream Deck pedal. As far as customization goes, like I mentioned before, you can change the springs on the bottom of the pedal that will change how much tension there is when you're pressing down a button. On top of that, if you go into the preferences for the deck pedal, you can change the device name, you can change whether you want the LED on or off. You can also change the sensitivity, which is changing the travel distance of the pedal. So if you only want to push the pedal halfway for it to actuate, you can do that. By default, I'm pretty sure this sensitivity level here is default. I didn't change it. So that extra customability, awesome. Again, with some of the included parts, you can disable the middle pedal. So if you want to keep your foot on there as a footrest and then only go left and right, you can do that too. Then you're missing out on a button. And now just a quick tutorial on how to use the Discord plugin for your Stream Deck pedal. So the way my brain is, I would want to put mute on the left, push the mute on the center, and then deafen on the right side. I just realized that I closed my action bar on accident. So if you come down to the Stream Deck icon in your taskbar, right click and go to show action bar. I'll just minimize this, come down to my podcast channel. So I am pressing the right pedal now to undeafen, to deafen, to undeafen. And with me undeafened, I can press and hold the middle one as my press to mute, which I'm a big hold to mute guy. And then I can tap the left pedal to complete mute. It's very responsive. It's as fast as if I had a hotkey on my keyboard. A quick note about the Discord integration from Steggy. The push to talk is technically fake because Discord doesn't have an API for their push to talk mode. So basically when you use the push to talk on Stream Deck, it just keeps you muted for as long as you hold the key and it unmutes you as soon as you let go. So the same functionality, the only difference is it doesn't work if you're in a push to talk mode or if you're in push to talk only voice chat. I've never seen a push to talk only voice chat in my life. Again, I'm not a competitive gamer. Maybe it's a little bit more common there. And I also just never use push to talk ever. So neither of these apply to me. They might apply to you. So this is a really quick video, right? It's just another Stream Deck for your feet. It ties into the Stream Deck ecosystem. Really, the only other info I can give you is, opinions about the build quality. Feels great. It's got a good amount of weight to it. It's mostly plastic. I would say that the springs that came with the Stream Deck pedal, I don't think I'm going to find myself changing out the springs. Super long braided USB cable that came with it. Awesome. And the fact that they specify that you can use a longer cable if you want to. I like that little detail. All right, dudes, that's all Natural Light Naaackers has for you today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I know it was short and sweet, but Elgato knows how to get to the point. There's not much else I can say. Have a wonderful day and be safe. Goodbye.